Hello there, YouTube. Escargo80 coming back at you from a very cold Istanbul day. I just received a package, a Kickstarter package, and this one is from the Five Finity Entertainment Productions, sorry, and this was around the summertime, and I'll do some unboxings. I pledged a Yeagle Mandy cover, which will be quite perfect with my Mandy statue, as you can see on the back here. And I got a limited edition print over there, hand signed by Dean Yeagle himself, and that statue is also limited to 50 copies. So I'll unbox this and I'll show you the comic. Hopefully one day I'll be able to send it and get it signed by Mr. Dean Yeagle himself, or maybe I can even meet him. Okay, this will take a little time, so I'll just quickly pause. Actually, it took shorter than I thought. So let's see. Great Gemini. And it's here. All right. Oh, okay. There are some add-ons and some rewards came with the book. They are all inside here. There are some trading cards, postcards, trading cards, and there's a pin over there. Let me see. All right, I'll show you the cover in a bit. I'm sure you're gonna like it. This was a I'll go very quickly. Here's a sticker. This was a Mandy and Trizia Kickstarter. There are some sketch cards, beautiful negative variants. Negative space variants. Lots of sketch cards, beautiful sketch cards, and I'm planning to display them in this plexiglass magnetic display case. I'll replace it under the comic. It will be a very beautiful setup. Here's a magnet, sorry. So small. Yeah, there's a bunch of goodies here, little cards. Here's a beautiful Ale Garza print and a bookmark and a postcard. Beautiful. And the cover I pledged is, oh, actually it came in a mylar. This looks like a mylar, and I'm very happy. I mean, I don't know, it looks so good. Let's see. It looks beautiful. There you go. That's the naughty version, or the naughty variant. I choose this one to go with my statue and with my print because the background was very similar to my print, and it looks great. This was the regular version, and I choose the naughty version, and I think only there's like 20 something backers. It's beautiful. I would also, I thought if I ever find the opportunity to get this signed, and maybe I could have a remark over here, a Mandy remark from Mr. Dean Yeagle himself. Here's a little pin, lastly. sorry. Yeah, my camera does not focus on the, you know, small things. Anyway, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna replace this over there, and then I'll show you the final display. Just hold on a second. So basically, for now, this is how I'm gonna display the comic with my statue and with the print, and there's the sketch card which says thank you for supporting us. Here's the limited prints hand signed by Dean Yeagle, and here's the comic, and I think three of them looks great together, like this. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.